Alright guys, I wanted to show you a little bit of my progress with a data logger, eventually going to be used to capture the input from the custom video game controllers. So I'm using Arduino Uno here. I was able to get the parts from Amazon, and there's more information regarding its wiring configuration. I also was able to get an SD shield, and you can see it's piggybacked on top. I'm using a humidity and temperature sensor to simulate the data input, and I have it wired to a breadboard with an LED and some resistors and a micro switch. And the premise here is that I'm going to be writing the data being captured by the temperature and humidity sensor to the SD card. But I had to do it in such a way where I could start and stop the logging at will, so I could remove the card, put it into the PC, read the data if I like, and then put the card back in and then start the logging again. So I'll give you a quick example. So what we're going to do is we're going to reset the Arduino. And by doing that, we have the serial monitor, and you can see it says initialize SD card, and it writes a header row, time, temp, and humidity. And right now it's not writing any data. What I'm going to do is turn on the micro switch by pushing this button here, and you'll see it blink. And now it's logging data with every LED blink from the humidity sensor and temperature sensor. And you can see now we have our row, our timestamp, and then the temperature now and humidity. So what I'm going to do is now put my hand over this, and you're going to see the actual humidity starting to go up. And you can see it says 74, 79. I am noticing some erratic results here at 32 degrees. I don't know where that's coming from. I think I have an error that's wrong in the calculation, but you can see every other row is raising the temperature right now. Probably have something wrong in my loop, but to give you an idea, it's logging this. So what we're going to do now is we're going to stop the logging by pushing the micro switch. And you can see the LED is not blinking. It's no longer writing any data. And what we're going to do is take the card out and put it into my reader. It's a little difficult to do this with one hand. And obviously my desk is a mess. That means I've been busy at work. And now we're going to open up the file, and there's the datalog.txt, and there's all the data. And you can see it stopped at row 46. So we're just going to close this file. We're going to get our card back. We're going to put it back into the SD shield, and then we're going to continue the logging. Okay, now we're continuing the logging again. And we're writing a few more rows. So let's see, we're writing about 57, 58, 59. Okay, so we're going to stop the logging again right around 60 so. Okay, so 65. Pull out the SD card once again and put it into the reader. And then we go and open it up, and you can see now it continued and appended from 45 all the way down to 65. So that's it. So we're definitely doing some IoT stuff here. The next concept here is I'm going to wire in my ColecoVision or my Atari as inputs and start capturing the movements for the fire button up, down, left, and right. And another step closer. All right, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Take care.